Learn how to multiply. 10 times table. 1 times 10 equals 10. 2 times 10 equals 20. 3 times 10 equals 30. 4 times 10 equals 40. 5 times 10 equals 50. 6 times 10 equals 60. 7 times 10 equals 70. 8 times 10 equals 80. 9 times 10 equals 90. 10 times 10 equals 100. 11 times 10 equals 110. 12 times 10 equals 120. Now, try to read the words of the correct answers. 1 times 10 equals 2 times 10 equals 3 times 10 equals 4 times 10 equals 5 times 10 equals 6 times 10 equals 7 times 10 equals 8 times 10 equals 9 times 10 equals 10 times 10 equals 11 times 10 equals 12 times 10 equals. Now, try to fill in the blanks with the correct numbers. 1 times 10 equals 2 times 10 equals 3 times 10 equals 4 times 10 equals 5 times 10 equals 6 times 10 equals 7 times 10 equals 8 times 10 equals 9 times 10 equals 10 times 10 equals 11 times 10 equals 12 times 10 equals. Now, if you think you need more time to learn this table, please repeat. But if you have mastered this, please proceed to 2-digit by 1-digit multiplication.